Hi friends, I'm Miss Jasmine. Welcome to Little Hands Big Snacks. Today we're making tortilla pinwheels. So I have a tortilla here, we have cream cheese, spinach, ham, and more cheese. So the first step is to put the cream cheese on your tortilla, and you want to spread it all over the tortilla. And you need to make sure that your cream cheese is soft so it will spread very easily. All right, there we go. It's all coated in cream cheese. And next, I'm gonna put spinach because I want my muscles to grow big and strong. So spinach for me. Do you like spinach? I love spinach. All right, so we're gonna put some extra on here and we're gonna push it down a little bit into our cream cheese just so it sticks. There we go. And now I'm gonna put ham. But you could put ham, you can put turkey, you could put roast beef. There we go. We'll use 2 pieces of ham for this. And then I'm going to top it with some more cheese. There we go. And then the next step is to roll up our tortilla really good and tight. There we go. Keep rolling, keep rolling. There we go. And then the next step you may need an adult to help you with because we're going to cut our tortilla. And this is going to help us with spatial awareness and following instructions. All right. And watch your little fingers. There we go. And then we're just going to put this on our plate. Look at that. And we have a delicious tortilla pinwheel. You did a great job today. I'm very proud of you. Here we go. And I'll see you next time on Little Hands Big Snacks.